Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this realistic car light effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have the car light effect. First, select the Create a New Layer icon under the Layer panel to create a new layer. Change the foreground color to white. Navigate and select the brush tool from the toolbar, set the brush hardness to 100%, and adjust the brush size according to the size of the car light. Then, brush on the car light. After that, open the blending options by right-clicking on the new layer and selecting blending options. Navigate to underlying layer in the blending options. Click on the small triangle icon while holding the Alt key to split it, then adjust the lighting until you are satisfied with the effect. And then click OK. Now, create another layer by selecting the Create a New Layer icon under the Layer panel. Change the foreground color to yellow. Again, go to the brush tool, set the brush hardness to 0, and adjust the brush size to be slightly larger than the car light. Now, brush on the car light to add a yellow color and simulate the spread of light. Change the blending mode from normal to screen to achieve a more realistic look for the light effect. Now you will have achieved the preferred realistic car light effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.